horizons, shadows float on a lake of memory. Dawn's light peels away fragments of a fading future. Your voice, an unfinished melody. The moment it touched me, time itself rippled. Words connect like the rhythm of raindrops, buried within them, nameless emotions bloom. Close enough to feel, yet slipping through in a blink. So synapses ignite, like fireworks in the storm. Fireworks in the synapse, our dreams burst open. Countless lights paint a story across the sky, reaching out, dissolving into eternity. Between you and me, the after-age of light dances. An abandoned park, a rusted Ferris wheel, whispers of the past. An empty bench cradles a silent radio. Through faint static tuning, your voice emerged. Was it truth or a mirage? The shadow of sunlight reveals fleeting traces in the past, caused by the wind. A forgotten promise lingers beyond the boundary we once crossed. Synapses blaze amid the roaring tempest. Fireworks in the synapse, our dreams sing endless sparks in the sky. Your breath and mine collide in this moment. We weave the lost threads of the forsaken future. A bouquet of love light blooms in the cracks of our hearts. Our dreams burst open. Countless lines paint a story across the sky, reaching and dissolving into the promise we missed on that distant day. Fireworks in the synapse, ephemeral dreams dissolve, yet the trails continue to bind us. In a world that starts and ends again and again, the synapse keeps glowing forever.